Need water damage restoration in Tacoma? National Restoration Construction is ready to help you right now. National Restoration Construction provides 24/7 emergency response, with crews answering day and night for Tacoma homeowners. Our IICRC certified technicians use professional-grade equipment to handle every water damage restoration job correctly. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NARESTCO 792M6, and insured so Tacoma families are fully protected. For trusted water damage restoration in Tacoma, call National Restoration Construction now at 206-883-0333 for your free estimate.